Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Tatsy. It is I, Tatsy, yours truly. Anyway, what are we making today? But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And most of all, don't forget to put your noty bell on so you know when I post new stuff. But anyway, today we are making like I said, we are making a romantic dinner for people to eat, okay? And we are cooking chicken thighs with honey gold bite-sized potatoes, and there's gonna be some spinach. But I guess you have to stick around to see how I cook everything. So again, I am making a chicken thigh with mushroom, spinach, and tomato creamy sauce and garlic smashed potatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna season my chicken. Already got my chicken thighs right here. I'm gonna season them, and I'm gonna use some Haitian epices. And I will have, like I said, I will post a video of how I make this. So yeah, we're gonna season the chicken. So yeah, we are seasoning our chicken. Now you can use your hands to do this, but I'm just being fancy. Let them sit here for like 5 minutes so the seasoning can actually get inside the chicken. But we're gonna wash our potatoes and boil them for like, I'm gonna say 5-10 minutes. Okay, wash and boil. I already have my water on the stove. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it, some olive oil, and then I'm gonna boil them for 5 to 10 minutes until they're like a little bit tender. Okay. And now I am adding my potatoes to the water. I am adding some salt. And I'm gonna add some olive oil. So I'm adding the olive oil a little bit. Now I'm gonna let this boil for like 5-10 minutes at most. Okay? Our chicken has been sitting here for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Give it that sizzling because the pot is hot. Here. Alright, now. Okay, so this is cooking. Look at the color. This is exactly what we want. Our potatoes are still boiling. They're not ready yet. Give it about 5 more minutes. Alright. Now we're gonna put this, they're cooking nicely as you can see. Okay, that's exactly what we want. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it to the side already. And remember I said I'm making garlic smashed potatoes, so I'm using a tenderizer to smash them flat, but you don't want them to break, okay? And so here we go. Like this. Baking sheet. I'm gonna spray this a little bit. So I'm gonna spray this just a little. That one did break, but that's fine, you can still use it. So yeah, now we have our potatoes on the baking sheet. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil first. This is 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna drizzle it on here. Now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. You put to taste as much as you want or whatever, and some salt. Go easy on the salt because of the sodium. So actually, let me do it like this because I'm trying not to eat too much salt. All right. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. The oven is already, now we're gonna put this in the oven. The oven is already preheated on 450 degrees. So we're gonna put this in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. You don't want it to burn. Okay, so we got our potatoes in the oven and our chicken has already been pre-cooked. Now we're about to make the creamy sauce. Here we go. We are using whipping cream to make our creamy sauce. All right. So now we have first we have our mushroom. We're using the same pan that we use for the chicken, so we don't have to add anything. So we just got our mushroom in here, and we're also gonna add our tomatoes. Yes, I like them whole like this. Ooh, we're gonna let this cook. Then we're gonna add our whipping cream. And of course, we're gonna add some épices to that too. Whatever is left, I'm gonna add this. We need to use that. So just add some garlic powder to it. And now, give it a good shake. We're gonna add our whipping cream. Yes, we're using whipping cream today. More heat. Our sauce is ready, our creamy sauce. And here we go. You guys a closer look. Okay. I did that. Okay, so look at this. Look at our chicken thighs in the creamy mushroom, spinach, and tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna plate these babies, and I'll show you guys the final product. Thank you. See you later. This is the final product. Again, don't mind this back there. Again, this is chicken thighs with creamy mushroom, spinach, and potato sauce. I said soup. And right here we have our garlic smashed potatoes with dill and some olive oil, of course. Now I'm gonna have to serve myself some food, and we'll see. Again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Today I made chicken thighs with creamy mushroom, spinach, and tomato sauce, and then I had some garlic smashed potatoes, and I will put the recipe in the description box below. But guys, please check out my Instagram. I will also put the link in the description box. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notify bell so you guys know when I post new stuff.